digging a hole.
Nice muddy tires, man.
Yeah.
I think that's the first time I've seen you top on, isn't it?
Yeah.
No, I had it.
Oh, hell.
Did you? It's good.
Where's he going?
Driver hard.
Easy. No. Ain't nothing hitting the ram, dude. Driver. I know. Back up a tiny bit. You gotta come off.
What's the ram?
The thing that says PSC.
Okay.
Fairly.
Just.
Straight into it. Back up a little bit.
That's how, what's his name, Ram?
He wants to climb up. Turn into it, driver a little bit. Driver.
Mm-mm.
Try it again, I mean, but it's still pushing you off to the right.
Problem with black thing is you don't even know what it is. What I've heard is that
Hey, come forward.
yeah.
Hello, driver.
Something like looks like a black.
Alright, now come up this and turn into that rock. You gotta get up on this first. Driver.
Watch his. Which one?
Yeah, come on. Hard passenger. Alright.
Don't straighten up.
No, you're good, go. No, it won't. Straighten up, driver. Driver. Coming down now. Watch the fucking shit. Go back up a little bit.